So what is given in question number 8? Find the value of y for which the distance between the points p 2 comma minus 3 and q 10 comma y is 10 units. Okay, तो पहले हम लोग फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे. This is point p 2 comma minus 3. This is point q, that is 10 comma y. And the distance between these 2 points, it is given as 10 units. Okay, so by distance formula, what we have? By distance formula, we have distance PQ. It is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. बोलो क्या आएगा आगे? What will be the next step? What will be the next step? What will be the next step?
in bracket 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square.
Y plus 3 whole square. और इधर LHS में क्या आएगा? डिस्टेंस PQ के जगह पे क्या है? What will come here in place of distance PQ? Yes, Shravani Shinde. What will come here? Shravani Shinde. What will come here? Shravani Shinde. What will come here? डिस्टेंस PQ के जगह पे क्या आएगा? मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या आप लोगों को? My voice is not coming to you.
Is audible.
Then after taking the names also, the students are not responding. Why many of the students they are not able to join? Viraj, what's the problem?
Sir, they are telling there is connection error. Zoom is not allowing them to join.
They have not signed in. That's why they are getting the error.
Sir, this also happens in English class
Okay.
at 11 a.m. only.
Okay.
All the other classes go smoothly.
Okay. When the classes are at 11 a.m., that time this problem comes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So instead of this distance PQ, what it will come here? It will come 10. Next step, what we will do?
Squaring on both sides.
Correct. Squaring on both sides. So after doing squaring on both sides, what we will get? Here it will come 100 और RHS में स्क्वायरिंग करने से क्या होगा? ये स्क्वायर रूट का साइन हट जाएगा. ओके, स्क्वायर रूट का साइन हट जाएगा तो सिर्फ क्या बचेगा? 10 minus 2. What is 10 minus 2? It is 8 square. Okay, and this will be what? Y plus 3 whole square is nothing but y square plus 6y plus 9. Yes or no? Okay, so 100 will be equal to 64 plus y square plus 6y plus 9. Next, what we will do? Next, what we will do?
So 64 will go to the LHS.
And 9 also will go, na? 9 is also constant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 100 minus
27.
64 minus 9 will be equal to y square plus 6y. So what it will come? 27, which is equal to y square
Into y
plus.
square plus 6y.
Now form a quadratic equation from this.
Quadratic equation y square plus 6y minus 27 is equals to 0.
Minus 27 is equal to 0. So splitting
Plus
them.
9 and minus 3.
Plus 9 and minus 3. Okay, plus 9y and minus 3y minus 27, which is equal to 0. So what is common here? Y is common. So y plus 9 in first bracket. In these two terms, minus 3 is common. So y plus 9 in the bracket will be equal to 0. Now these two brackets are same. So what we can write? Y plus 9 in first bracket and y minus 3 in the second bracket is equal to 0. So y plus 9 is equal to 0 and y minus 3 is equal to 0. So यहाँ से क्या मिल रहा है? Y is equal to minus 9 and y is equal to 3. Okay. So the value of this y can be what? It can be minus 9 also and it can be plus 3 also. Both are possible. Okay. Why we got two answers here? Why we got two answers here?
So because we had found the quadratic equation,
Okay, but what?
and if we put the value of y equal to minus 9 or y equal to 3, we will get the distance as same.
Okay, but जब ये पॉइंट्स हम लोग कार्टेशियन प्लेन में प्लॉट करेंगे, ओके, तो -2 सॉरी 2, -3 कहाँ पे आएगा? इट विल कम हियर. ओके, सपोज दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट 2, -3. I am drawing a rough sketch, huh? Not to the scale. Next point will be what? 10, -9. So 10, -9, where it will come? It will come below here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This point is what? 10, -9. तो ये दोनों सेगमेंट के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है? 10 यूनिट्स का ही डिस्टेंस है. और दूसरा पॉइंट होगा 10, +3. तो 10, +3 कहाँ पे आएगा? इट विल कम समवेयर हियर, समवेयर हियर. ओके, 10,
Yes, sir.
3. तो ये दोनों सेगमेंट के बीच में भी डिस्टेंस 10 यूनिट्स का ही आएगा. ओके, so that's why we got two values here. No doubt here it is forming a quadratic equation. वो भी एक रीजन है. और अगर आप ये पॉइंट्स को प्लॉट करोगे तो दो पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे आपको जिनके बीच में आपको डिस्टेंस 10 यूनिट्स मिलेगा. Okay, next one. That is the 9th question. Now what is given in the 9th question? If Q, its coordinate is what? 0, 1 is equidistant from 5, -3 and R in bracket its coordinates are x, 6. Okay, find the values of x. Also find the distance QR and PR. ओके, तो पहले हम लोग फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे. फिगर ड्रॉ करने से क्या होगा? हमको पिक्चर क्लियर होगा कि एक्चुअल में हो क्या रहा है. दिस इज पॉइंट P. दिस इज व्हाट? 5, -3. this is segment PR. Okay, this is segment PR, and point R's coordinates are what, x, 6. और यहाँ पे जो है मिडल में exactly at the center there is point Q. This is what 0, 1. तो यहाँ से क्या समझ में आ रहा है हमको, segment PQ it is equal to segment PR. Sorry, segment PQ is equal to segment QR. So if we apply the distance formula to segment PQ and segment QR, as both are having the equal equal distance, because Q is equidistant from point P also and from point R also, so we will get the value of this unknown variable, that is x. Okay, so as point Q, its coordinate is 0, 1, is equidistant from point P in bracket 5, -3 and R in bracket x, 6. ओके, तो इस पे से हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं, डिस्टेंस PQ will be equal to which distance? It will be equal to distance QR. ओके, अब PQ सेगमेंट को डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे और QR को भी डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट इज डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला नाउ? It is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Again, here it will come what? Same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, तो यहाँ पे PQ सेगमेंट को डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगाने के बाद यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? What is x2? What is x2?
0.
0 minus 5 का होल स्क्वायर. y2 क्या है? 1 minus of -3, it will become +3, will be equal to अंडर रूट ऑफ. अभी सेगमेंट QR के लिए डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगाने के बाद x2 क्या है आपका? इट इज नथिंग बट x माइनस 0 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 6 minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर, टेकिंग square on both sides. If we take square on both sides, what will happen? This square root sign will be removed. Okay, so 0 minus 5. What is 0 minus 5? It is -5 whole square. What is 1 plus 3? It is 4. So 4 whole square will be equal to x minus 0 is what? X only. So x whole square. And what is 6 minus 1? That is 5. 5 whole square. So ये आ जाएगा 25, ये आ जाएगा 16, which is equal to x square plus 25. 25 दोनों साइड कट गया, तो x square will be equal to what? 16. What will be the value of x then? What will be the value of x? Plus minus 4. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? ओके, तो अभी देखो यहाँ पे दो वैल्यू आ गई अभी x की. ओके, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, व्हेन केस 1 बनाएंगे. ओके, वी विल डिनोट केस 1 बाय a, व्हेन x is equal to +4. okay, so in that case, what is the value of distance QR? You calculate it and tell me the answer. What is the value of distance QR? Under root 41. Is it so? Under root 41. Others, please check it whether it is coming under root 41 or not. Okay, और डिस्टेंस PR कितना आता है वो चेक कीजिए. डिस्टेंस PR, it will come under root 41 only, because why? What is the reason? Q is the midpoint of this segment PR. Oh no, sorry, we have to find PR. PR is the bigger segment, this complete segment. So it will come 2 under root 41. 2 under root 41, it will come. Shravani is telling that it will come under root 82. Is it so? Others, please check it.
Yes, sir.
It is coming under root 82. PR. PR is coming under root 82. Yeah, फिर twice of under root 41 it is coming. Okay, fine. Under root 82. Under root 82. Next case, what you will do, you will take when x is equal to -4. Now in that case, find distance QR. Tell me what is the value of distance QR when x is equal to -4. It is coming under root 41 only. Okay, very nice. Under root 41 only. And what is the value of distance PR in this case? When x is equal to -4. 9 root 2. Is it so? 9 root 2. Okay, 9 root 2. So both the cases, whatever the value of x is coming now, you should write down the final answer for both the cases of this value of x. If we are getting two values in that case only. Okay, next one. That is the last question of this exercise. Find a relationship between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3,6 and -3,4. तो ये सपोज आपका पॉइंट ए है जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट है 3,6. ये सपोज आपका पॉइंट बी है जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट है -3,4 और एग्जैक्टली सेंटर में एक पॉइंट है सपोज पी, उसका कोऑर्डिनेट है x, y. तो हमको x और y के बीच में क्या रिलेशन बनता है वो हमको निकालना है. ओके, what is the relation between this x and y? So now what we will do, as point P x comma y is equidistant from point A, its coordinates are 3,6, and point B, its coordinates are -3,4. So therefore what we can write, distance AP is equal to distance PB. Okay, so apply the distance formula. What we will get, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to under root of again x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यूज पुट करो. x2 क्या है आपका, इट इज x माइनस 3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 6 होल स्क्वायर. इट शुड कम इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ -3 minus x whole square. Okay, plus 4 minus y whole square. Taking squares on both the sides, what will happen? The square root sign will be removed. Okay. So only what is remaining now? X minus 3 whole square, y minus 6 whole square, which is equal to, okay. Here take this minus sign outside. We are taking minus sign common. So what we will get? 3 plus x whole square. Okay. And here 4 minus y whole square. What is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square? What is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square? Anushka, Gilda, what is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square? Anushka, Gilda. Anushka, Gilda, can you hear me? What is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square?
A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and
Hmm.
a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab
So
plus b square.
what will be x minus 3 whole square here now? What will be x?
X square
Hmm.
plus minus 2 into x into 3
Okay. Next.
plus 3 square 9
Next. Y minus 6 whole square.
y square
Hmm.
minus 12y
Hmm.
minus 36.
Plus 36.
I'm sorry, plus 36.
Now what is a plus b whole square? तो यहाँ पे 3 plus x whole square करना है हमको. क्या आएगा वो?
9 plus 6x plus x square
Next.
plus 4 16
Hmm.
minus
Hmm.
8y
Hmm.
plus y.
Y square. Okay. So now we will multiply this minus sign inside. So this will become what? Minus 9 minus 6x minus x square plus 16 minus 8y plus y square. Okay. ये x square minus 6y, sorry, 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 12y plus 36. So what is getting cancelled here? एक तो y square like terms plus y square will get cancelled. Minus x square and plus x square will not get cancelled. Na?
No, sir.
Only like terms get cancelled. Again, minus 6x and minus 6x will get cancelled. Again, anything is getting cancelled. Okay. So what is remaining here now? X square minus, sorry, 9 and 36, we will take this together. So this will become 45 will be equal to, यहाँ पे आएगा minus x square minus 8y और minus 9 और plus 16 कितना होगा? Minus 9 और plus 16. This will be plus 7. Okay. So 2x square. I think so there is some mistake here. Huh? You should get a relation of line. You should get a equation of line. There is some mistake here. I think so. What is the answer behind given in the textbook? What is the answer behind given in the textbook?
3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0.
What? Repeat it again.
3x plus
Uh,
y minus 5 is equals to 0.
that only I'm telling. We will get a linear equation in two variable, but here square term is not eliminated. This square term also should eliminate.
Sir, I got the same answer.
Okay, you got it, but here I think so. Here in this bracket
Sir,
only we are having the problem. Yes, bolo.
sir, that under root minus 3x minus 3 minus x square. So minus we should keep in bracket only, and then we should apply that a minus b whole square formula.
Okay, if we keep this minus sign inside only, so क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे -3 का होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 9 और ये माइनस साइन है बीच में तो यहाँ पे -6 आएगा ना. Here it will be -6 and this will be plus x square. Yes, now it will get cancelled. Here it will become plus x square only if we keep it as it is. X square cancel होगा दोनों side पे. You make the corrections now. Okay. And what we will get? This will come +6 or -6?
+6.
So this will be what? Okay, मैं यहाँ से आगे फिर से solve करता हूँ. There is lot of jumbling here. Eraser. We will keep it as it is. We will not take minus sign common. We will take a minus b whole square directly. Minus sign हम लोग as it is रखेंगे. Okay. So here what it will come? -3 का minus x का whole square plus 4 minus y का whole square. Okay. तो ये x square minus 6x plus 9 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा y square minus 12y plus 36 will be equal to, now a square means -3 square is what? 9. 2ab. So 2 into a is what? -x. B is what? -3. So plus 6x and minus x ka whole square. It will come x square. Here it will come 4 square is 16 minus 8y plus y square. Now see this x square gets cancelled, y square gets cancelled. Again anything else? No. So
9.
-6x plus 45 बचेगा इधर. 9 हो रहा है क्या कैंसिल? यस, 9 इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग कैंसिल ना, तो कर देंगे. तो यहाँ पे बचेगा -6x plus 36 will be equal to 6x minus 8y. Here -12y is remaining. 6x minus 8y and plus 16. That's it. Now rearrange it. Bring all the variable terms on one side and constant on the other side. So हम लोग सब वेरिएबल टर्म्स को RHS में शिफ्ट करेंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा 6x plus 6x, ये हो जाएगा 12x. ये 12y इधर आने के बाद प्लस 12y हो जाएगा. 8y plus 12y is what? 4y minus 8y and plus 12y is 4y. इस 16 उधर जाने के बाद ये हो जाएगा 36 minus 16 that is 20. तो इसको अगर मैं डिवाइड करता हूँ, ये कंप्लीट इक्वेशन को अगर मैं डिवाइड करता हूँ by 4, so what I will get? 5 is equal to 3x plus y. Okay, so we got the equation. Keep it as it is. यहाँ पे minus sign common मत निकालिए आप. Then only you will get the answer. Is it clear to you? So we have completed exercise 7.1. On Monday, we will start exercise 7.2. Today, there will be no attendance link. The morning attendance will only be considered. On Monday, we are having a revision class.